Luxury today is not about paying the highest price. Real luxury is getting comfort, technology, performance, and long-term peace of mind for money that still makes sense. In 2026, you don't need $50,000 or $60,000 to drive something that feels premium. There are sedans on the market right now, mostly in the $30,000 to $40,000 range, that deliver real luxury, strong performance, and reasonable ownership costs. These are not hype cars. These are the sedans smart buyers actually live with, and that's what this list is built around. Lexus IS. The Lexus IS is the car for buyers who want luxury without headaches. It focuses on build quality, comfort, and reliability, which is why used IS models from recent years usually sell between $32,000 and $40,000 and still hold their value. Inside, the IS feels solid and quiet. The seats are supportive, materials feel premium, and road noise is well controlled. Lexus also includes advanced safety as standard, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The real advantage is ownership. Lexus is consistently ranked among the most reliable brands in the world. That means fewer repairs, lower servicing costs, and stronger resale value. Over 5 years, that matters more than horsepower numbers. The IS may not be flashy, but it is one of the smartest long-term luxury sedan buys you can make. Audi A4. The Audi A4 is for buyers who want modern design, sharp screens, and a refined driving experience. Lightly used A4 models from 2019 to 2023 usually fall between $35,000 and $40,000. What stands out is the cabin. Audi's digital cockpit, clean dashboard layout, and high-resolution infotainment system give the A4 a true luxury feel. Everything looks and feels modern. Wireless phone integration, premium audio, and advanced driver assistance features are widely available. On the road, the A4 is quiet, stable, and confident. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system gives excellent grip in rain, snow, and rough roads, which makes it ideal for European and northern US climates. Maintenance costs are higher than Lexus, but resale value remains strong. If you want technology and refinement without going over $40K, the A4 delivers. The BMW 330i is for people who actually enjoy driving. Even used models from 2018 to 2022 still feel modern and usually sell under $40,000. The turbocharged engine delivers quick, smooth power, while BMW's suspension tuning gives the car excellent balance and control. It feels light, responsive, and confident at highway speeds and on winding roads. Steering feedback is better than most rivals, which makes the car feel alive. Inside, the 330i offers high-quality materials, comfortable seats, and one of the best infotainment systems in the segment. BMW's iDrive system is fast, intuitive, and easy to use. Ownership costs are higher than Lexus or Genesis, but resale values stay strong. If you want luxury with real driving excitement, this is your car. Genesis G70. The Genesis G70 might be the biggest bargain in luxury sedans. Used models from 2019 to 2022 are often priced between $30,000 and $38,000, yet they feel more expensive than that. The interior is where the G70 shines. You get real leather, metal trim, heated and ventilated seats, premium audio, and advanced safety features without paying extra for expensive packages. The cabin feels high-end and well-built. Genesis also offers one of the best warranties in the industry, which lowers ownership risk. Ride quality is comfortable, handling is confident, and performance is strong. For buyers who want premium features, low stress, and great value, the G70 is one of the smartest choices in this list. The Alfa Romeo Giulia is for buyers who want a luxury sedan that feels special. Used models from 2018 to 2021 usually sell between $35,000 and $40,000. The Giulia's steering is sharp, the chassis is balanced, and the car feels connected to the road. It is one of the most engaging sedans you can buy at this price. The interior is stylish and different, giving the car personality that many rivals lack. Reliability is not as strong as Lexus or Genesis, but buyers who choose the Giulia do it for the driving experience. If you want your daily commute to feel exciting instead of boring, this car delivers something unique. Infiniti Q50. The Infiniti Q50 is one of the most underrated luxury sedans. Models from 2019 to 2022 are often available under $40,000, and many come with powerful V6 engines producing around 300 horsepower. That gives the Q50 straight-line performance that rivals more expensive German sedans. Inside, you get comfortable seating, premium materials, modern safety systems, and a smooth ride. Infiniti also offers better reliability and lower maintenance costs than many European brands. That makes the Q50 a strong choice for buyers who want speed, comfort, and reasonable ownership costs in one package. If you want worry-free ownership, the Lexus IS and Genesis G70 lead the pack. If you want technology and refinement, the Audi A4 delivers. If you care about driving feel, the BMW 330i and Alfa Giulia stand out. And if you want performance for the money, the Infiniti Q50 is a hidden gem. These are not hype cars, they are the smartest luxury sedans real people can actually afford.